Hi and welcome. It's Megan here. Today I'm going to be doing a kind of productive day in my life, getting ready for my first day of work tomorrow because I have a lot of stuff to do. So I just figured I'd take you guys along with me. I actually am about to get dressed. This is like my little nightgown. I just woke up. So we're getting ready to go to Dollar Tree, Trader Joe's, and Walmart. And then at some point I have to sort laundry and wash clothes and just all sorts of stuff that needs to be done before I go to work tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below if you have days like this too. And yeah, let's get into it. All right guys, so we're in Dollar Tree. That's the first place we're running some errands. See ya. All right guys, so we just left Dollar Tree. There it is right there. And this is all the stuff we got, just like some like snacks, little baskets and things for organization. And it was super cool. So now we're going to Walmart, and we're about to go park. We're getting mainly like food items and stuff. So obviously everybody and their mom is here today, so it's fine. Oh, is that a spot? Can you swerve? Dang it, I could have. Oh, well, this one's fine. All right, we got a parking spot. We're gonna walk about a mile.
We're not even that far back.
I know, it's just being funny. All right, guys, so this is all the stuff that we've gotten from, oh, sure, from Walmart. Found a rotisserie chicken. And we have to wait in line to scan our own groceries. Like, it's just ridiculous. Okay guys, so this is all the laundry that we have. We're gonna sort it. Okay guys, so here are the piles that I made of the dirty clothes. I'm not gonna go into super in depth, but I'm basically just about to wash clothes. So let's set this camera up. Guys, so I'm actually getting my hair braided so I don't have to worry about it this week. So my mom's gonna braid it down, and then we're gonna wash my wig and I'm gonna wear that. So that is what I'm doing now. I think we're gonna do just a few big braids just so it'll go quicker. 6 to 8 braids just so it'll go quicker. So yay. Hey vlog, I have my sleeve on my hair, so just ignore it. But I'm gonna wear this top tomorrow and probably just some leggings. And then my favorite cardigan, which I think is in the dryer. And then I'll just wear some knee-high boots. Okay guys, so I ended up wearing this outfit to work, which I'm about to show you guys. This is what I decided to wear to work. I just got off work. So I did wear that cardigan I was talking about, and then I just wore this t-shirt because we have a super casual dress code. And then I wore these jeans, just some black ones, and then my tennis shoes because I knew I had to walk from my parking spot. So I wanted to be super comfortable for the first day, and we have a super casual dress code. So this is what I wore. And yeah, that is the end of this video. I'm sorry it's kind of like all over the place, but that was just all the stuff that I had to do to prepare for work today. And it actually went well, so lovely. Let me know down in the comments below if you have days like this that are like kind of boring, but like super duper busy. And yeah, if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.